Welcome students to your new class of science, and already we have discussed about lots regarding our festivals, right? So those who are doing online classes, they have already seen with the chartboard also we have discussed various types of festivals on a particular class. So today we are going to complete our practice time. So students, all of you take your science book, get ready, open page number 34. Get ready with your science book, open page number 34. First of all, over here you write down the date, today's date, okay? Write down today's date, that is 2/9/2020, just beside here. Here. Now let's start with our class. Question number A. Everyone is ready with their pencils? Come on. Are you ready with your pencil and eraser? I want the answer for my question. Are you ready with your pencil and eraser? You are going to write in your book along with me. Okay, Priyam has answered yes. Come on, get ready with your pencil and eraser. Shyama Prabhu, I have not started with the question, please. So be with the class, okay? Very good. Your answer is very appreciating, but be with the class. Let us start our class together. So I hope each and every student has, yes, is ready with their pencils and erasers. They have opened their book, page number 34. Now the first question, that is tick the correct answer. Number 1, festivals are full of. Festivals are full of. 3 options have been given. A, fear, B, food, and C, fun and joy. So Ashmita and Shyama Prabhu has already given me the answer, that is C. So rest of the students, I want answer from you also. What can be the correct answer? Come on, write me. Question A1. So what should be the correct answer? Okay, Sanstita has also given the answer C. Next comes, who is the next one? Priyam also has given answer C. Next. Okay, Ashmita already, okay, Ashmita Haldar, Ashmita Bhavak, 2 Ashmitas are there in my class, very nice. Okay, so parents please mute the microphones. Okay, so all my students are giving the answer, that is C, and the correct answer is C, fun and joy. So, festivals are full of fun and joy. Very nice. Now let's go for the second one. Diwali is a festival of dash. So the first option given is Hindus, second Muslims, and third Sikhs. And I have got lots of answers. Shyama Prabhu has given the number as well as the correct answer. Each and every student, Ashmita, very good. Priyam, Rudraditya, Prithvi Raj, Ashmita, Shashmit, very nice. Srijan, very nice. Each and every student, those who have given the correct answer, that is Hindus, is the correct one. Very good for all of them. Okay, so Diwali is the festival of Hindus. Okay, it's not, though I have ever told you, not any festival is religious for any one particular community. It can be celebrated by each and every Indian, because festival signifies joy, prosperity, happiness. So anyone can be happy, anyone can share their happiness with anyone. Okay, so still, next, number 3, boat races are held on. Boat races are held on dash. Eid, Holi, Onam. And I got lots of answers. Shyama Prabhu, Rudra Aditya, Ashmita, Anurag, Prithviraj, Sanstita, Priyam. Very good. So all has given the answer is option C, that is Onam. So number 3, option C, that is Onam. So you will write down the correct answer and you will tick for C option. Okay. Next comes number 4. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. So Independence Day is celebrated. Very nice. So I got lots of answers and all the answers are correct till now. Shamanta, Kashmita, Thagato and Sanstita, Shyama Prabhu, very good. So all Priyam also, very nice. So the fourth one, the correct answer is Independence Day. 15th August is celebrated on, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Okay, so let's go for question number B. Here some pictures has been provided to you and you have to write down the correct name of the festival. So the first picture which we can see is the celebration going on for. Very good. I got the first answer from Shyama Prabhu, second from Shyamantak, third from Srijan, Ashmita, fourth. Very nice. So I hope all of the students have copied down this one. Everyone has copied down this one. I hope. So I am going for the second question. If I will write here, you won't be able to see the answer. So I have to rub the board, students. And Rudra Aditya, G should be capital. If you are writing any proper noun, your first letter will be capital. And Ashmita, it's not Diwali. Ashmita, I am still with the first picture. Please don't go fast. Okay, be along with your classmates. Okay, there should not be any competition. There should be healthy learning. Okay, so let's start. This is question B. Question B, and the first one is Guru Purab. Next one, now number 2. So number 2, I got lots of answers and each and every answer is correct. That is number 2. Shashmit has even given the number of the picture. Very good, Shashmit. So that is Diwali. Here is the festival. The picture which has been shown to us, it's of the celebration of Diwali. So let us write down the first letter should be capital and then after the rest of the letters should be small. Next comes number 3. Number 3 is, let's see, yes, Ashmita is the first one, Shyama Prabhu second, Srijan third, Prithviraj fourth, and Xmas, Shamantak, it is Xmas tree, not the celebration is known as Xmas, it's a Christmas, okay? Okay, so each Ashmit, Rudraditya, Anurag, Priyam, very good. All has given the correct answer, that is Christmas, C capital. So, can you tell me, Guru Purab is celebrated by which community? Guru Purab is celebrated by which community? Yes, very good, Shyama Prabhu, it is Punjabi. Yes, Ashmita, the correct answer is Sikh. Yes, it's the Sikh community. Okay, very nice. Anurag, very good. Srijan, very good. And Shyama Prabhu, you are very near to the question. Just you have missed the exact term. Okay, so Tathagato, Shugato, very good, very nice. Each and every student has given the correct answer. Very good. So Guru Purab is being celebrated by Sikh community. And Christmas is being celebrated by whom? Christmas is being celebrated by whom? Rudraditya, yes. But one particular community is there. We each and every people of India celebrates Christmas. But one particular community is there who prays and completes all the formalities which is being done on that day, and that is Christians. Yes. Very good, Shyama Prabhu, Ashmita, Tathagato, Anurag, Priyam. Very good. So, Christmas is being celebrated by Christian community. Okay. So, now I am going to give you some clues and you have to tell me the name of the festival. So, some clues will be given to you and you will identify the name of the festival. So, let's do it. It's question number C. Here comes question number C. And the first one is, we light diyas and candles on this day. And I got the first answer from Rudraditya, second from Ashmita, third from Shamanta, fourth from Prithviraj, Srijan, Priyam, Shamaprabhu, Anurag, and Tathagata, Shastita. Very nice. So each and everyone has found out the correct answer. The festival on which we light diyas and candles is known as Diwali. Yes. So the first one is Diwali. Next comes, this festival marks at the end of Ramzan. I had clarified this festival very nicely to all of you, and it is, yes, very good. Shamanta, Kashmita, Srijan, Prithviraj, Shrestha, Rudraditya, Priyam, Shamaprabhu, Sanstita, and Tathagato. Very nice. Very nice. So, the exact festival is Eid. At the end of the month of Ramzan, after a long fasting, they celebrate Eid. Okay. Next comes, this festival is celebrated in Kerala. This festival is very good, Rudraditya, very good, Shyama Prabhu. Very nice, Prithviraj, Shrestha, Ashmita, Priyam, Tathagato, Sanstita. Very nice. So, it's number 3. Onam is the festival which has been celebrated in Kerala. Next comes, people organize langars on this festival. I told you that one of the festival when community lunch is being organized by them, and they, yes, Prithviraj, very good, and Shamantak, it's not Onam, it's Guru Purab. Okay, Guru Purab is the festival when Sikh community organizes lunch for the people to get blessings of their 10 gurus. Okay, yes, Sanstita, very good. So, number 4, that means all my students are listening the classes very nicely and very properly. Very good. So, it's Guru Purab. Next comes number 5. Number 5, it is celebrated on 15th August. Just now we did it. Yes. So, we did just the opposite question. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Now the question is, it is celebrated on 15th August, that is Independence Day. So, we are going to write, it is Independence Day. Okay, so this was the practice time today which we completed in our book, and next class, next day, I am going to bring some extra questions from this chapter, so please follow the offline videos also. Till that time, be happy, take care of yourself and continue with your studies very sincerely. Thank you.